Howdy do, Inspire artists! I'm Mia and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be doing a crayon drawing based on the painting Tiger in a Storm by Henri Rousseau, a French painter from the 19th century. Rousseau's art is from the Post-Impressionist period and contains themes of naivete, primitivism, and magical realism. If you'd like to see a video that goes more in depth about Henri Rousseau or art during this time, let us know in the comment box below or email us at smidge@inspiretv.com. Alrighty, without further ado, let's get drawing. The materials we'll be using today are a half sheet of paper, pencil, eraser, some colored markers. I'm using black, orange, brown, green, and some crayons. I'm using a few different shades of green crayon, some lighter, some darker, an orange, a yellow, black, brown, and purple. Phew! Let's take our pencil to start drawing the tiger. He'll take up the lower left half of our paper. I start by drawing a circle for his head right about here. Then draw a curved line for his back like so, and another one underneath for his belly. I connect the lines here to finish his body. Now onto the legs. Let's begin by drawing an oval, like so, for his back leg, coming off right about here, and a smaller one for his upper arm around here. I draw a sort of zigzag shape for his heel and lower leg, and draw a little oval for his paw. Animal legs can be tricky to draw, so always use a reference image if you're unsure. Similar to your own leg, the tiger's leg goes from his hip to his knee, to his heel, to his toes. It just looks a bit different. He has a shoulder and upper arm, then we'll draw his elbow and lower arm, and another paw. Can't forget his tail. I draw a nice swooping line coming off of his body like this. Nice job! Now for his snoot. Tigers and other big cats have very box-shaped snouts, so we'll draw a sort of rounded box coming off the circle we drew for his head. And a wee circle for his eye. And a surprised-looking eyebrow. And let's add two little triangles for his ears. Okay, back to his muzzle. In the original painting, the tiger's mouth seems to be open in surprise, so let's replicate that. And I bring his chin down a bit since his mouth is now open. Give him some sharp chompers too. And add a little triangle for his nose. And that's it for his face. Next up, a tiger isn't a tiger without stripes, right? Go ahead and draw your tiger stripes however you'd like. I draw them on his cheeks and going down his back and tail. I also draw a little line for the ground right about here. Since he's in the jungle, we need some trees in the background and some leafy grasses and bushes for him to hide in all across the page. I chose to draw these big swooping leafy shapes. Maybe they're grass bundles or big leaves. I also add some different leafy stalks for some variety and some leaves in the foreground. Once we're done with all the pencil, let's move on to line art. For this drawing, we'll be using different color markers to outline different items. I'm using orange to outline the tiger, black for his stripes, green for all the plants, and brown for the trees. The video is going to be sped up a bit now since we also have a lot of coloring to do, but you can pause the video anytime if you need to catch up. Alright, let's bust out those crayons and get to coloring. I'm going to start with my orange and fill in the tiger's body. I'm going to leave the tip of his tail, his paws, and his muzzle white. I like to use small circular motions for a nice even spread of color. Fill in the stripes with a black crayon. And add some yellow for his eye. And now the next steps are really up to you. I use a whole bunch of different greens to add a variety of color to the foliage, just like in the original painting. We call this a monochromatic color scheme because it's all different shades of the same color. I map out where I want certain colors to be. For instance, I don't want the entire bush to be the same green, so I go in with this aqua color and later a darker green as well. Let's move on to the trees. I start off by filling them in with brown, and then I add in some purple for some shadow. The purple really makes the scene pop. I fill in the leafy stalks with a variety of colors, some green, yellow, and red. But again, there are no rules and you can color these however you'd like. Finally, the remaining space. Is it sky or more jungle? It's up to you. I fill it all in with yellow, so it's a bit ambiguous or up for interpretation. I add some quick background trees using a reddish brown for the final touch. And voila! We're done! What a beautiful tiger! I hope you all had fun with this video, so let us know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, bye-bye!